are you? Next young man. You're going to wait right here for Rich. Okay? Rich is going to help you. Wait right there. You, my dear, come with me. We're going to wrap this up.
Okay.
Good job. Regulate the work.
I can get it.
Okay. All right. Wait right here.
You ready to hop up? Now, here's your ink. Ready to ink? I'm going to put the ink on. Okay, push it right on the letters, once and back. Now let's come over here and do these letters. Ready?
Hour for doing this.
Good. Now, we're going to put this back.
Okay.
Okay, good. What is it, Mom?
This over?
What is
Lift this up.
Thank you very much.
Lift it.
And one more time.
Lift it again. Lift the whole thing.
Okay. You want to stand back? Stand back.
Arms up. Arms up.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Arms up.
Okay.
Arms up. Good job. Keep those arms up. Arms up high. Did you get a picture of me? Arms up high. Yay, Theodore.
Okay, ready? I'm going to give this to you. Here you go, Thea. Pull.
Pull back from me.
Pull, pull,
Pull back. Pull back.
Good, good. Now
All right,
just push. Let go.
Theodore.
Okay, good.
Arms up. Arms up. Arms up in the air.
Okay, you want to be cranky?
Oh,
Here we go.
cranky.
Pull Grab this.
Push it, Theodore. Careful, careful, careful.
On
Your
the
face.
face. There we go, all the way.
Aww.
And let go. Let go.
Let go.
Okay, and open that up.
Open it.
You
You did
Good,
that.
all right.
Nice job.
Okay.